In this video, I will show you how to join the Blox Discord server. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to join the official Blox Discord server, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. I'm using the Discord app, but you can also do this on the web-based version. The steps are the same. Now, once you've done that and you're logged into your Discord account, the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to the server list on the left hand side, and you want to come down to the bottom where you're going to see this plus icon which says add a server. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to bring up a window like this. On this window, if you come down to the bottom, you're going to see it says have an invite already, join a server. So what you want to do is click the join a server button. Then it's going to ask you to input an invite link. Now, the invite link for the Blox Discord server is just Blox. So if you actually just type Blox, all one word, and then what you want to do is come down and click the blue join server button. Now, as you can see in my case, unfortunately at the time of recording, the server is currently full. However, if the server is not full, then what it's going to do is take you into the Blox Discord server, and what you need to do is just read through the rules and verify yourself with Blox Inc. And once you've done that, you'll be a part of the Blox Discord server, and then you can go ahead, start posting in the server and hanging out and doing different things in the Blox Discord server. So that is how to join the Blox Discord server. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.